Only it is truly remarkable to watch Alhaja Oledumata deliver a masterclass in modern fiction. Tí rí evidence ibi tí mo ti jalè ní Dumata. Or evidence ibi tí Iyabo Ojo ti jí fóònù. Ní party ẹlẹ́mẹ̀ta, evidence ẹ wà. Evidence ibi tí Iyabo Ojo ti lọ jílé onílé ní Megamond Estate tó dẹ̀ ṣe housewarming. Evidence ẹ wà. Alhamdulillah, Nigerian police cleared my name. And after Idumata, I've become, you know, estate owner. Not one, not two, not three. Alhamdulillah, and we've done a lot. We've achieved a lot after Idumata. Number one, Stella Demakoko is known for not being stable. And that is why nobody values Stella Demakoko. Stella Demakoko can be a fake friend now and be real enemy in the next 1 minute. Nobody takes Stella Demakoko serious. And I will tell you the difference between Stella Demakoko and Linda Keji. You don't understand? They send Stella's captions to me. It doesn't move me because Stella is nobody in this country. And I will show you will see that Stella's caption with Linda's caption is different. You don't understand? So Stella is nobody. You understand? Stella is nobody. Stella is not a landlord in this country. Stella does not have anything in this country. You understand? Stella is just a Promax of Iyabo Ojo under Discover. You understand? Stella is nobody. You can never see what's it called? Linda Keji acting like Stella. You understand? Stella has motivated a lot of young women. As a matter of fact, Linda Keji has motivated a lot of young women. As a matter of fact, the day I saw Linda Keji's mansion, that day I determined, I was like, I have to do something. You understand? Linda Keji is a mansion owner in Nigeria, not just anywhere or anyhow, Banana Island. Few months ago, I told you guys that Linda house was about 650 million when she bought it, or 550 million when she bought it then. But the value of Linda's property as of today will be around 6 to 7 billion naira. So what is the value of Stella Demakoko's property in Nigeria? Zero. So it's only Linda Keji that can know value of that masterpiece. Stella Demakoko's can never. So you understand? And the caption Stella Demakoko gave me, I will show you. Public display affection. I will bring evidence now. That is how Stella operates. Stella has been, she has been like that for a very long time. She's not a normal person. That is why people don't value her. So you understand? She will call you now to be a friend. It's a lie. She's setting you up. That is why anytime she come across or she called, I make sure I have evidence against her. She's nobody. Stella is nobody knows Stella. We all know Stella to be on the negative side of life. That is why she didn't make it in life. So when we get there, I will. Stella is not so stop you screaming so quiet parts. The romance is carefully choreographed for the camera. It's none of your business. We even tried. If myself and my husband choreographed that scene, I'm a gbìyànjú. Tó bá jẹ́ pé Iyabo Ojo ló nírú nǹkan tá nìyẹn. Ẹ ti kú. Ẹ ti ṣe kíni? Ẹ ti kú. If my husband, if I can wear short knicker with slippers or what, kíni mo wọ̀ sẹ́sẹ̀ náà. If my husband can just put on another short knicker, I wore sweater. My husband just wore one top. We were walking. If we can come out with a choreographed scene with that kind of clothes, that means we are loaded. We are fucking loaded, and it means we are extremely matured. If we actually choreographed that scene, you understand? Because we can see Iyabo Ojo and her daughter renting common staircase to film Chioma hairstyle at Oriental. Abenyo ori video ọmọ Iyabo Ojo àti Iyabo Ojo l'Oriental. Lórí pé wọ́n lọ copy irun Chioma. If Iyabo Ojo and her daughter can rent Oriental staircase, and Lizzy Anjorin choreographed that masterpiece with that aṣọ kila le pe aṣọ ìwọ̀sùn, that means we are authentic. That means we are in for business. Am I making sense? Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́ fún mi. Am I making sense? Tí Iyabo Ojo bá ní access sí irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, gbogbo staircase, gbogbo nulẹ̀, gbogbo kitchen, everywhere let him marry. You don't understand? Koko ni pe we own it, we work for it. My husband built it. You don't understand? It is our property. So we like we choreographed here. We like it. At least we all see how Iyabo Ojo has been displaying in rented apartment. Lizzy Anjorin and her husband just sat down there pressing people's. That means we are original. That means we are authentic. Ẹ̀yin lẹ lọ́pọlọ orí tin ló ti dàrú, orí yín ti gbà body. Ayé Iyabo Ojo ti bàjẹ́. And you said for the cameras, it's none of your business. It is our property. It is not your property. When we're working hard to put these properties together, you were busy on social media. Ṣebí encrop ojú wa ni. So it's none of your business. Nto bá wùn mí ni mo lè ṣe. Bó wùn mí máa wọ pátá. Bó wùn mí èmi àtọkọ mi a máa gbéra wa sítan. A dé máa sọ fún cameraman ó yá máa yà wá. It's none of your business. Koko ni wípé you all failed. Yasin. Ó yẹ kẹ́ lọ kú ni. Because ẹ̀yin bí 1 billion lórí Lizzy Anjorin nìkan ṣoṣo. Dẹ̀rí nǹkan ẹyọ kan ṣo gbé jáde. Ilé tí Google gbé jáde rè fún Stella Demarcocos. So Stella does not have any property in Nigeria. So Stella Demarcocos that does not have property in Nigeria, we never understand that. If we want to show public affection, we cannot wear such clothes. The world will show you if you show public affection. The day where I saw Linda Keji's mansion in that Banana Island, it motivates me. It really motivates me. As a woman, she was single there. Regardless of how she sees her money, does not concern me. How she makes her money does not concern me. Koko be say a young woman, you know, a young woman that stands as a role model for every young hardworking woman out there. If Linda Keji did not come up with a mansion in Banana Island, maybe someone like us will not have courage to bought the one I bought at Mega Monday State. You don't understand? But look at us today. Thomas sọ pé èèyàn jẹ́ àríkọ́ṣe rere. Irú Linda Keji yẹn, mi ní parọ́ fún yín àríkọ́ṣe rere ni. Níjọ́ tó ra létà rí ilé 650 million ọmọ ìyá mi. Ó pọ̀ tó kì í ṣe ẹgbẹ́ ìyá lájà anybody nígbà yẹn. 650 million naira nígbà yẹn is about 10 to 15 billion today. Because the house today in Banana Island, the land alone, Linda Keji's land, like ibi tó kọ́ ilé Linda Keji sí ní èní tó bá máa ra lẹ̀ wá ní up to 7 to 8 billion. Then let's talk about the building on it. We talk about another. The house should be around 10 to 12 billion. Linda Keji's property today. You don't understand. So you cannot, someone like Linda Keji cannot write that. Because Linda knows that if we truly want to stage public affection, we will never wear that kind of clothes. You don't understand. Linda Keji knows, but Stella Demarcocos does not know anything. Stella Demarcocos is everything Yabo they do for under this lover. That is how Stella Demarcocos operates. Linda too was president back then, but later Linda just quit. They do her own. They do her own. When Linda, they do Linda. This lover na baby. But at a point, Linda just take U-turn. But Stella no they take U-turn because Stella no too normal. And Stella no feel we stand blogging. Stella no feel we stand blogging. You see, the reason Stella will write that useless caption, that public affection with that kind of clothes, because Stella does not own any property in Nigeria. She doesn't know what it takes to even build ordinary bungalow in Nigeria. You understand? Linda na Yabo Joka course. You know, that kind of level. Linda na Linda know they happy for better thing in her life. Sorry, not Linda. Stella, sorry. Stella, they mix their names, sorry. Stella na the Yabo Jo category then. Stella. Linda knows value of property. Linda Keji na agbawo ton fase mommy. When we talk about successful, you know, single parent, because I won't call her single mother, single parents that are super successful in Nigeria. Linda na agbawo. You don't understand? That house when Linda buy that day, that time, almost forget. Linda no be regular young woman out there. Linda na very focused woman to have acquired such beautiful masterpiece in Banana Island. And Linda lived a very she lived a very large life. Like Linda, they flex with nice cars. Talk of any cars. We'll be saying our latest, you'll see her with Linda. So someone like Linda, you will see that Linda genuinely happy. And Linda genuinely knows the value of that masterpiece. So the Stella Demarcocos, you can't expect someone that doesn't have a property in Nigeria to know value of what you've done. She understand. Linda na correct babe. Linda na forget. She did make mistake at times, and I don't tell her, Linda, I don't want this, I don't want this. And since then, I noticed Linda don't mind, you know. But celebrating us, I give it to her.
So definitely it's like the house thing that she built, we won't post the one talk with probably Stella Demarcocos and Linda Keji, they posted it, but they had different captions. So she has problem with the caption of Stella Demarcocos, and she's okay with the one that Linda wrote. So she's now coming. I don't know why they wrote Stella Damascus. It's not Stella Damascus, the actress. There's Stella Demarcocos. She has a blog. And that one, she knows that she's not in Nigeria. She doesn't stay in Nigeria. She stays outside the country. And so she's saying, Stella Demarcocos is not stable. Stella Demarcocos, and she can be your fake friend today and be your worst enemy tomorrow. And this one, that one. And Stella Demarcocos is acting like Yabo Jo under this lover. And say somebody was calling now Idumota built a mansion and all of that. Say, there's no evidence that she stole at Idumota and all of that. But there's evidence of a Yabo Jo. She went to rent a house and she's now doing housewarming. She's now doing this. Wakoma she kubo kidile. Wakoma so kati. We built our house. At least they saw us in front of the house. That means it is authentic. It is this. It is that. It's not like Iyabo Ojo that went to Mega Monday State to go. You will just buy yourself for nothing. Stella no really send you like that. Stella now Ogba. She no send you. Maybe you are trying to get on the good side of Linda Ikeji so that Linda Ikeji will start posting nice things about you. Volumo. I don't know the caption that Stella used, but no, Stella now Ogba. I had to unfollow her at some point because she used to do some things that were not okay. But even at that, to call it on. If you build a house so that you can have peace of mind. You say you've from Oludumota, you've built estates, not 1, not 2, not 3, but you don't have peace of mind. Peace of mind is very important in this life. You building a house does not mean anything, but you not having peace of mind is a big problem. Even if Iyabo Ojo is living in a rented apartment, she's living peacefully. She's living a good life. Iwo uraye waye ko lo live easy. This is how you continue your life. I know Shemi. Official meme says she wants Linda Ikeji to be on her side. Don't mind her. Kemi says English meme. Please always speak Yoruba. As a graduate, we expect better, not buying English. Doctor. Abiola says, now you build house, now you no get peace of mind. Do you get? Okole Obadu, ilé tó kọ́. Ilé tó wọnú ibẹ̀. Tẹ́pẹ́ wájú tàlẹ̀ tí ń ṣe fídíò. Ṣó wà nínú ilé náà. Ibẹ̀ ṣé níbẹ̀ ló wà, ibẹ̀ kọ́ ló wà náà. Ìwọ tẹ́pẹ́ ayé ò mọ anybody máa parọ́ òṣì kiri lẹ̀. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.